Hello and welcome to Honest Marketing Tips. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get back number of dislikes on your video because YouTube recently removed that feature and you cannot see the actual number of dislikes. I don't know if you need this, if it is useful for you, but some good people coded a nice browser extension that can help you and get that number back. So basically you go to returnyoutubedislike.com and install the extension. How is this working? Well, you have like a FAQ section. I will just go quickly where the extension gets the data and how it actually works. The extension is a combination, and their data is a combination of Google API data and scraped data. Scraped means that the code is running on the actual video and scraping the underlying HTML. They save everything to the database, so it's available even when the Google API will be turned off with, number of dislikes. The old data is cached for 2 or 3 days and you cannot help it, so the number of dislikes is not raising for 2 or 3 days. It's cached on the return YouTube dislike side. How does this work? It collects the video ID of the video you're watching, then fetches the dislike and other fields from the YouTube API, and then tries to store the data in the database and cache it for 3 days, and of course archiving for you. After YouTube API stops returning dislike count, obviously the extension will cease to work, but they will try to estimate this dislike number based on view like ratios or from the archived and dislike archives. Let's see now if this is actually working. If you go to the install tab, you just click the link for Chrome or Firefox. I already installed it. It's shown in the upper right corner as return YouTube dislike, and I opened one of the South Park videos, and as you can see I get the number of dislikes on this video. So it's working like a charm. Like I said, this number could vary. Also, it's not updating for 2 or 3 days, but it's very useful because you can get this metric back. I hope this helps. You can also go to the GitHub where you can star and fork and see how the extension is working. It's available both for Chrome and Firefox, and you can also donate money, which is nice because this is nice. You can even contribute if you are a coder, and you can open an issue and read other things on the actual extension. Press that like button if you like this video and subscribe for more content like this, and I hope that you will get your dislike back and you will be able to see if a video is not good and not having to look through it anymore because YouTube removed the number of dislikes on the video that you are watching.